welcome to my YouTube channel, Ramlam Vlog TV. Dito po sa Sentro Niyugan Pandayan. Ilaro po maya mga alas 7. Abangan po natin ang laro. Enjoy watching basketball sa aking vlog. Kita-kita po tayo dyan. Let's go! Yo, walang gabi po sa ating lahat. Nakataas lang po ang laban ng Parikoy o Team LB. Panalo po ang LB. Ngayon po ay second game sa Pandayan at Team Joker. Sila po ngayon ay nag-warm up bago umpisa ang first quarter. Shooting muna po sila. Yo, welcome to my YouTube channel, Ramlam Vlog TV. Wala po. Team Joker versus Shot Pandayan. Mamaya po ay mag-start na ang kanilang laban. Papahinga lang po sila. So, mag-start na po. Mag-start na lang. Yeah, ready to jump ball. Shot Pandayan versus Team Joker. Team Shot Pandayan. May namano.
So good. Number 12. Go home. Pass to number 10. And Murao to go home. No good. Bump by number 10. Pull up jumper. No good pa rin.
Pass. Sino ka doon yung nagkawan? Ano isang doon mo?
Bump by number 8. Pass to go home. To Amurao. to number 8,
Work ka na din.
to Goho.
Wala.
Getting out. Number 14,
Uy,
si traveling violation. Number 8, rejected.
nahawakan ng
Team
bola.
ball. Number 17, no good. Number 12, number 29, hit for 2 points by number 9. Amurao in now, rebound by number 17. No good. Abe, in and out.
Score is all 2.
Steal.
Semis lang junior. Semis na. Ang laban. Ang tanggal lang yung taga-amin, San Fermin. Ay lang ang tanggal.
Nakuha ni number 8, pass to number 10.
So, 3 points.
Good for 3 points. Single. Foul committed by number 12. First personal foul, first team foul. 6 minutes remaining. 14 to shoot. Number 15, no good. Rebound by number 17. Pass to number 12. Goho to Abe. No good. Malaras. Malaras. Amurao. Connect for 2 points. 5 minutes and 5 seconds. Number 12.
Shoot.
Connect for 2 points.
7-4.
Number 18. No good. Bomb number 17. To number 12. 10 seconds to shoot. No good.
Oh, kante.
Basket count. Foul committed by number 29. Time remaining 4 minutes and 28 seconds. Bonus shot is good.
Ano lang ni Kaya pa? Hindi ko na siya may doon.
Malalas. Good for 2 points.
10-6. 1 point po ang shot pantayan.
Goho. Number 18, Catres. No good. Steal by Amurao. Baseline jumper. No good.
Not a
Number
point.
17, connect for 2.
Parang hindi ko na tanda. Hindi ko tinatanda.
Traveling violation. Substitution. Time remaining 3 minutes and 20 seconds.
Lalo ko minsan din ako.
Number 1. Goho, no good. Number 17 to Amurao, 10 seconds to shoot. No good pa rin. Amurao, 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot.
Na ako lang siya yung nasa.
Just
Connect for
shoot.
2 points by number 1.
Eh, pwede ka araw lang nakabili pa kayo eh. Nabili ko yung araw na makro. Yung mga lapit ka ng tindahan. Yung mga 7-Eleven.
Hit for 2 points by number 12.
8.
Ano? Village ba yun?
Two minutes remaining. 14 second shot clock.
Dahil wala kayo.
Subal. Air ball.
Kalibrahin na
To double dribble violation. 1 minute and 42 seconds remaining. 1 minute and 42. Goho sa tres. Good board. 3 points.
17-8.
Number 55. To number 14. 10 to shoot. It's a foul. Committed by number 8. First personal foul. Second team foul. One minute and 11 seconds.
Go, shoot.
For 2 points by number 8.
17-10.
Number 9 pa rin. 1 minute remaining. Abe.
Go, shoot.
Connect for 2 points.
19-10.
50 seconds. 5-0.
Tirang tres.
Same ball. 42 seconds. 42. Good for 2 points. 30 seconds. Fourteen to shoot. 20 seconds. 3 points. 15 seconds.
22-12. Ay,
10.
sala.
5.
Oh, that's 4.
4 seconds. 4. 4 seconds. 4.
Mira, layo. Oh, sala. Ayan.
End of the first quarter, in favor of Team South.
Ilang oras ba?
Wala lang Team Joker. Para maglaban ng
Number
Batman and
55, hit for 2 points. Number 28, to Abe.
September ba? May holiday?
Wala ba? Hanggang October wala. Ramdam ko na agad ang pagod ko eh.
10 to shoot.
Oh, patay ang tuko. Ang butiki. Scores
Number
22-14.
12. No good.
Uy,
Walang mag
9 pick.
14 to shoot. Number 14. 10 to shoot. No good. Traveling violation.
Drop yan.
Abe. Connect for 2 points.
This side ng video ko.
24-14. 10-point lead
Number
ba?
12. No good.
Tandayan. Yo, isala.
Pinasok
Yeah,
sa
nagaw.
kalaban. Connect for 2 points.
Ay,
Good.
naka-record that?
Alam.
Yan. Ay, lahat pinupost mo. Hindi.
Oh, kaya po.
Hindi kayo nagkakaroon, hindi kayo nag-edit.
Mag-edit.
Pero buo.
Merong buo, merong nakakat.
Number 12. No good.
Tayo kagabi. Yung parang susuntukan.
Kinako.
Hindi, para makita din
Connect
nila
for 2 points for number 4.
sila yung nauna.
Pero pinost nyo. Ay, natin ito mo.
Huh?
Pangit. Nakita nyo nagbubugbugan sa ulo.
No good.
Hindi naman talaga bugbugan.
I mean,
Naawat
kasi
na.
pangit.
No good pa rin.
Pwede nyo i-share yun sa mga pag mga
Number 14 to number 4.
ganyan pala sa ulo.
Good for 2 points.
Gawat naman. Hindi naman talagang
Abe. To go home. 10 to shoot. Red ball. 6 minutes and 20 seconds. No good. Good for 2
Shoot.
points.
yung dalawa na lang.
Time out.
Okay, dalawa na lang. Oh.
Time remaining 6 minutes and 5 seconds. Official score 24-22. 6 minutes remaining. Goho sa tres. No good. Rebound by number 14. No good.
Uy,
Number 7.
2
Good for
points.
2 points. Number 15. No good. Ball by number 7. Red ball.
Wala ba?
Power ba kayo?
Naiiwan ko.
So good.
Charge sa amin.
Number 7, connect for 2 points. 4 minutes and 35 seconds. Bantang. To number 55, no good.
Uy, time ball.
Out of bounds, black ball.
Line ball.
Time remaining 4 minutes and 2 seconds. Goho sa tres. No good. The foul. Committed by number 16. Substitution. Number 14. The foul. Committed by number 16. Substitution.
Score is 22-28. Lamang po sa
Time remaining 3
pantaya.
minutes and 23 seconds. 3 minutes and 23 seconds. Good for one. Good again.
Dalawa.
Numero ng
Number
3.
17,
Oh,
good
pasok.
for 3 points. 3 minutes remaining.
31. Ay, 31 nga. 31.
Number 4, short.
Airball.
Number 18 to number 10. Sa tres. No good. Ipong pa number 17 to number 8 off the glass. At may kasama pang foul. Foul committed by number 29. Pushing foul. Number 29 is your second personal foul. First team foul. Bonus shot para kay Abe. Time remaining 2 minutes and 18 seconds. Bonus shot no good. Number 29 pass to number 14. Out of bounds. Black ball. 2 minutes remaining.
Ay, pinasahan.
Number 17 pass to Amurao. To number 7.
Oops. Block.
Rejected. Same ball. 10 second shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot.
Kala, block. Nag-block ang bola. Yo.
Magbantay. Number 4. Short.
Shoot kayo.
Kala, kapos.
1 minute and 40 seconds.
Abe. No good. Number 17 no good pa rin. 1 minute remaining. 1 minute.
Yo,
Good
shoot.
score to rebound.
With 7:33.
.45 seconds. Number 14. Back it down.
29.
Foul committed by number 17. 24 seconds remaining. 24 seconds. Bonus shot. No good.
Ah. Foul.
Foul number 15. 20 seconds. 15. 10 seconds. 5.
Tira, tira. 4 Oy!
End of the second quarter official score. 33-29 in favor of Team South.
Ito. Wala lang sir.
No.
Yun, tukol. 31. Dini, dini.
Number 12, Goho. To number 10. Goho, no good. The foul. Committed by number 12.
Wala. May pound.
First personal foul. First team foul. Ten to shoot. No good. Foul committed by number 55.
Kasama ka dito na gabi.
Alam mo, mapapanahin ko pang aking rate. Kasi siyan din ang lulog ng September 1 at 2. Hindi na ako rin mo.
Wala matitira doon.
Mabila ka SC, nawala na. Kasi na rin nakauwi lang. Hindi ko ang araw din mo, wala. Sa kong buhay, pakain kong bago tanghali.
Araw-bound.
Pero pagod ka sa biyahe. Bus, be, bus.
Ayun, pwede mo na. Ikaw awan yung music. Alam mo, may...
Hindi bus, may sleeper bus lang. May ganun.
Goho. Foul committed by number 4. First personal foul.
Makapag-gaya pa yan. Makapag-gaya. Mahal kasi ang punso.
Goho, no good.
Kaya, Sanaga.
Amurao, 10 seconds to shoot. He's bored to 3 points. Madaras. 10 to shoot.
Yo, 3 points.
3 points.
Ikaw na ang pagsagot.
34, 37. Ito na lang, nakabol.
Number 10 to Goho. Back to number 10. Gravity violation.
Nabangga siya ng pa-birthday. Makauling ka siya. Motor sa motor. Bata pa yun. Bata pa mga 2024 pa lang yun. Baka 24.
Foul.
Content?
Right, counted group. No.
Foul committed by number 1.
Ay nga, sa chat, ano ba tinutukoy niyo pa? Assist, hindi din SK.
14 to shoot.
Mamatay. Suicide. Dahil,
10 to shoot.
pinablock mo yung jowa.
5 to shoot.
There you go.
Yung Becky. I mean, may video sila.
Amurao.
Lalaki.
Connect for 2 points.
Bitong-bito na. Score na.
Takot siya yun. Pakamatay na lang. load naman yung pamilya. Tinapos lang maililiit.
Uy, wala na. Sa lampasa.
Hapon,
Scores 39-34.
40 seconds.
hindi ko meron pa din. Pag umulan, cancel mo na. Kasi lang araw na ako sa loob. Ano ba yun? Hindi ko. Tapos ko ng 8.
Go. No good.
Season 1 kick kapag naglampas ng 4
Number 12. No good pa rin.
Hindi mo sa babay ang black ilaw. Cover court.
Go sa 3.
Meron naman po ang meron
Wala
naman
pa rin.
cover court na humingi before sponsor siya ng isang card. Kaya lang po kami mahanap na lupa. Kala ko doon sa amin.
Kaya
Dapat
tres.
sa
Wala.
baliwag. Dapat baliwag
Same
dapat.
ball. Substitution.
Yung tapat ng pandayan. There, yung
Time remaining 4 minutes and 37 seconds.
good and rapid.
Time out. Joker.
Dapat kami
Time.
kala ko doon yung tapat.
Set to shoot. In for 2 points.
Pwede simulan to. Pwede yung sabihin, pwede simulan to.
Number 12. Number 10, no good. Number 12, no good. Number 7, no good pa rin. Number 8, to foul. Committed by number 4. Number 4, it's her second personal foul. Time remaining 3 minutes and 39 seconds. First attempt, no good.
Doon lagi naglalaro lang ng progress.
Amurao, no good. Number 1, no good pa rin.
Diyan pa. Hindi pa lang pumahan. Hintay ka po may election. Kasi,
Number 55, 40 to shoot. Still by Amurao. Connect for 2 points.
naayos na pa? Ay, naayos na.
Uy, naku. Madalas.
Number 4,
Yung, shoot.
connect for 2 points.
Ang score lang.
Ano nga?
Salamat tayo.
Ano nga score?
Hindi ko nakita.
Ako hindi tatanggap namin.
38. 38-41.
Foul committed by number 4. Substitution. Time remaining 2 minutes and 5 seconds. 2 minutes and 5 seconds. Go ho, sa 3. No good. Abi got the rebound. No good pa rin. Number 29. Pass to number 14. Malaras. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 4 to number 55 sa 3. No good.
Uy,
And out of bounds.
tinakos.
Team South ball. Time remaining 1 minute and 38 seconds. 1 minute and 38. Abe, drive inside. No good. Rebound by number 4. Malaras. Magbantay. Sa 3. Sa long 2.
Long 2.
With for 2 points. Long 2.
41-40. Isa na.
Time remaining 1 minute and 5 seconds. 1 minute and 5.
41-40. Isa na.
Amurao sa 3.
Wala. Oh,
So foul. Foul committed by number 4 again. Number 4, warning for foul down. Next up, substitution and warning for penalty. 55 seconds remaining. First attempt. No good. Second attempt, no good again. Number 8 got the rebound, pull up jumper, no good. Number 17, and good for 2 points. 45 seconds remaining.
43.
Number 12.
Kasi nga po nila na ilang araw din po maglilibang.
To number 55, to Malaras. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Pass inside to number 12. No good. 30 seconds remaining. Abe. Connect for 2 points. 20 seconds.
Oh, shoot.
15 seconds.
42.
Mga project na bigyan namin.
10 seconds.
Shoot.
5.
Wala. Wala na. Eh.
And third quarter official score 47-42 favor of Team South. Number 12 setting up a play. Inside pass to number 29, looking for his teammate inside. To number 55.
2 points.
Pogi si Ter. Go. To Abe. To Amurao. Good for 2 points. Long 2.
Long to 49.
2 points. Malaras. Dribbling the ball. Malaras. Pass to number 12. No good. Abe got the rebound. Number 7, Abe. In and out. Rebound by number 55. To number 14. Malaras to number 12. Magpantay. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to number 55. 10 to shoot. To number 15. Out of bounds, same ball. 4 seconds to shoot. 4-second shot clock. 4-second shot clock.
49-44. Ano po yung laban sa tandayang Team Joker? Oh,
Go. No good. Abe, no good pa rin. Connect 4 to weak point.
2 points. 49-47. Na dalawa na.
Amurao. Sa 3.
Yo,
In and out.
Lala.
No good.
Shoutout mo na.
Check out sa katabi.
General yan.
Amurao.
Galing pa kayo sa tutog. Wala si Goho.
Abe.
Goho wala. Kasi
Back to
Sa
Amurao.
trabaho
14
yata.
seconds to shoot.
overtime.
To go sa 3.
Uy, matalo pa
Connect
nila.
4
Hindi
to
naman.
re-point.
Hindi matatala.
Eh wala. Pag ginalingan ng
17
Joker.
and 5 seconds.
Pag ginalingan ng Team Joker. Talo lang sa... Ay, nabo.
So foul committed by number 10. Time out. Team South. Time remaining 6 minutes.
Pwede ba
and
nakabaliktad, ano?
54 minutes and 54
Pahinga ka.
seconds.
Back to the ball game.
14 to shoot.
Out.
Hindi ko inaano nung ano, sa tito mo.
Hindi, baka hindi pa nagkakawak.
Kaya na
Amura win. Sa foul.
Magandang laban mamaya. Tanyo Road.
Para sa kanya road.
Magkaibigan.
Personal fouls first, D-foul.
White versus
Magkano ano
green.
niya per referee? 500.
Hindi ko alam.
First attempt good.
Per game. Hindi tatlo yung 5.
Oo.
Pag referee na lang. Sundok pa ba? Pag training buo.
Nag-shoot ka!
Ay, nag-shoot ka.
Second attempt good again.
Yung una.
1K1. Ay, tama ang score.
35 seconds.
Tama ang score, tama ang score.
54 na daw.
54. Thank you, sir. Yung lupit mo naman.
Good for 2 points.
Ano pangalan mo? Galing.
Koho. To Abe. Paso ang
Ano, may lakas din ang joke, eh.
Tres.
May lakas
Oo,
din yan.
lakas din yan. Yung
Nananalo din eh.
pati pare ko yung lakas din. Kaya lang, hindi.
May nananalo din sila.
Panala naman yan. Ayan, wala pa yung pare ko.
Wala pa.
Number 12.
Ang alam din mo.
May alam
To number 14.
Wala pa eh.
Oo.
Koho got a rebound.
Liman lamang.
Patrick Amuraw. Very easy 2 points.
Shoot.
5 minutes and 45 seconds.
Ang ganong foul.
Pagpandayan.
Malaras. Pass to number 12. Bantang. To number 29.
Wala pala fishball. Ang low.
Wala, umuwi na ng titinda. Yung isa. Oo,
Wala
kaya.
pala fishball pa sa iyo eh. Bus mo.
Kaya.
Hindi, ang sabi niya, hindi daw siguradong tinda. Dahil ang panahon. Hindi, may third game pa.
Goho. Pass to number 10.
Oo.
May third.
Pasok pa ako.
Back to Goho.
Sino pipi agad?
Number 7.
Ma'am Lo, pwede. Si Ma'am Lo.
Another bounce red ball.
Tapad mo na yung post ko.
Ha?
Yung laro kagabi.
Stephen.
Tapad mo na.
Yabang.
Nakarapos ko na yung dalawa.
Dapat manasis mo ako.
Oo.
Hindi ko man law. Kung law ako.
Ikaw nga nag-announcer.
Jeron, tawag ka. Jeron. Sabi mo sa menu.
Number 15. Number 12. Cross jumper.
Escape
No
pala
good.
tawag. Escape.
Number 12 again. Pass to number 15.
Kahit nung tabaw ni
Jumper
Jeon, no?
inside. No good pa rin.
Wala 5:30 11 ni.
And bounce black ball.
5 and a half. Half day. Dito. Yung 11 siya. Half day. 5.5 hours.
56-49.
Hindi ba yan? So, ang move na lang.
Abe. Ready side.
So, kaya mo tatlong ano, record. Tatlo, kaya mo.
Kaya naman.
4 minutes and 30 seconds
Tatlong
remaining.
game. Pipiton lamang.
Number 12. No good pa rin.
Masyado malakas. Masyado malakas. Sure bull na yun, oh. Sayang yun. Pipito naman.
Amuraw sa 3. No good.
Let's go. Pasa-pasa. Bigay kay Bantang.
Meron 3.
Number 55. No
Sayang
good.
buwa ka.
Dito sa kabila.
Number 12. 14 to shoot.
Sa call.
Sa foul. Tumilig by number 9. First personal foul. Second team foul. 3 minutes and 20 seconds.
Go! Save ball. Nandiyan na ang Tanya Road. Oh, good. Tanya Road, kulay green.
Short. Time remaining 3 minutes and 13 seconds. Abe. Connected 2 points. Steal number 17.
Go, shoot
Good
ulit.
for 2 points.
Kapit. Sa Pauli. Sa Pauli, shoot. Sa Pauli, shoot. Nasa 60.
Rebound by Amurao. 2 minutes and 35 seconds.
Tapos na. 11 na lang, 11. Ito na lang.
Goho.
4 minutes na lang.
Number 10, Amurao.
Out.
Time out.
Rep, 3
points.
points. Thank you.
Joker. Time remaining 2 minutes and 20 seconds.
Ato
Number 14
113.
sa tres. No good.
Luloy, mapera ka saan na.
Rebound by Amurao.
Madami AutoCAD ngayon.
Sana may hiring.
Madami yung AutoCAD.
Last 2
Sana may
minutes.
hiring.
Gumagamit ka kayo doon.
Sana may hiring na AutoCAD.
Hindi maganda sa AutoCAD kasi.
Sana may hiring na AutoCAD.
14 to shoot.
Sa SketchUp, pinagusto ko.
Yo, 3 points.
Correct for 3 points.
Yan. Yun.
3 points.
Oh.
Magaling nga pala si, ano? AutoCAD, yung minikita.
Good for
Saan
2
may
points.
hiring
Pero okay ka rin sa
Number
SketchUp na.
1 minute and 30
Alam mo yung
seconds.
Revit? Ano, bago na lang. Hindi na namin napot yun. SketchUp hindi.
Hindi.
Hindi ko napot kasi yun. Ang abot namin SketchUp.
14 to shoot.
Favorite ko yun kasi konting import lang yun na yun. Oo. Bahay mismo.
Yung shoot.
Good for 2 points by number 12.
Oo, tutuwa nga ako doon sa SketchUp na yun.
Meron ko nga eh. Laptop
Number 14.
meron ko yun.
Last 1 minute. 55 seconds remaining.
3 points na lang.
Nasa lang isang kanya ang pala.
45 seconds.
Pala yun.
Kasi wala na sa
37 seconds remaining. 37.
Siya pala yun. Siya pala manager nun.
Eh?
Oo. Yung palang camp si Mac.
30 seconds.
Ang swift, ibig sabihin, nakipate si Mac Mac. Matipid kasi yun. Kuipot.
Yung shoot.
25 seconds.
Yan na, panalo na. Ayaw na.
Congratulations, Team South.
Ayaw na score.
Sabi mo dun. Aalis na tayo.